the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, yeah. For the...
That's kind of dope. Shout out to PK for closing. I've never seen these doors closed. I have never seen the doors closed. Really quick, y'all. Shout out to PK Auto, y'all already know PK Auto Design, y'all. PK Auto Design will take care of any car. You got a Jeep, you got a Subaru, you got a Jag, you got a Mustang, any car you got, PK Auto Design will take care of you. This, I have not seen the car. I have not seen the car, so what you see right now is how it's gonna be. So we going in. We going in. We going in. We going in. Am I allowed to come in? What up, Paul?
What's up, buddy?
Alright, I'm gonna turn on 3. What? I'm gonna turn on 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes! Yes! Oh my! Oh my! Oh my God, bro! Oh! I'm gonna cry, dog. Oh my dude, bro. Oh my gosh, y'all are gonna see this on like the reveal video.
Oh, you haven't even shown it to him yet? Teaser.
Y'all, when you, oh my God, bro. Dude, this isn't my car, bro.
It's your car.
Oh my.
100% tell you it's your car.
Oh shit. Dude. This is perfect. This is perfect. Dude, he did it right, dude. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh, I love the side skirts. Oh, I love the side skirts. Oh. I know they're gonna be so mad. They're gonna be like, just show us a damn video. No, I haven't shown anybody nothing. Oh my, bro.
You know what the funny part is?
Oh.
Yeah, that's the weird part. The slight flake in the hood.
Dude, I was like.
It's not done yet. Open the damn door.
Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, dude, the interior is like. Oh, these seats are sick. Oh, the screen is sick. so good, dude. Look at those stripes, man. Whew. So whenever y'all are seeing this part, you've already seen the reveal. I'm just gonna do a quick walk around just so you guys can see. Next video is gonna be an overview on all of the mods that they did. Shout out one more time to PK Auto Design and all the mods that were already on the car. I know a lot of you have been asking me to do a full mod overview on my car. So I am definitely going to do that, but, oh dude, the camera doesn't do it justice.